Imagine immersing yourself in the mesmerizing blend of ancient tradition and futuristic innovation. Picture the thrill of navigating bustling streets, tranquil temples, and electric nightlife, all while meeting some of the most intriguing and beautiful women in Japan. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of the best spots to connect with singles in this captivating country. Ready to dive into Tokyo's heartbeat, Kyoto's serene elegance, and Osaka's friendly vibes? Let's embark on this exciting adventure together and discover the ultimate places to meet singles in Japan, along with tips to make those connections truly memorable. Japan is more than just a travel destination. It's an experience. So, whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, buckle up and get ready to discover the best places to meet singles in Japan. Let's jump right in and start with the heart of it all. 1. Tokyo. Tokyo, the heart of Japan, is a bustling metropolis with endless opportunities to meet new people. A. Shibuya. Shibuya is one of Tokyo's most vibrant districts, famous for its iconic crossing and trendy atmosphere. Cafes like Starbucks overlooking the crossing are great for people watching and striking up conversations. Additionally, nightclubs and bars in this area are hotspots for socializing. Places like Woom and Atom Tokyo offer lively environments where you can meet locals and fellow travelers. Don't be shy. Japanese people are often open to friendly conversations, especially in social settings. B. Roppongi. Roppongi is known for its international vibe, attracting a mix of locals and expats. This area is famous for its nightlife, with numerous clubs and bars where you can meet people from all over the world. Check out places like V2 Tokyo and One Oak Tokyo for an unforgettable night out. C. Harajuku. For a more relaxed atmosphere, Harajuku is the place to be. Known for its quirky fashion and youthful energy, Harajuku offers unique cafes and shops where you can meet interesting people. Exploring Takeshita Street is a fun way to start a conversation over fashion and trends. 2. Kyoto. Next, let's head to Kyoto, the cultural capital of Japan. While Kyoto is more traditional, it's also a wonderful place to meet singles who appreciate history and culture. A. Gion District. The Gion District is famous for its historic tea houses and geisha culture. While it may seem more reserved, you can still meet people at local bars and restaurants. Engaging in a conversation about Kyoto's rich history can be a great icebreaker. Walking through the narrow streets of Gion, you'll find traditional tea houses and quaint bars where locals and visitors mingle. These settings provide a serene and intimate atmosphere, perfect for deeper conversations and making lasting impressions. B. Kyoto University area. The area around Kyoto University is bustling with students and young professionals. Cafes and libraries in this area are perfect for meeting like-minded individuals who are open to new connections. In the university district, you'll find a lively and intellectual crowd, eager to share ideas and experiences. The relaxed ambiance of nearby parks and cafes makes it easy to strike up conversations and build connections with individuals who appreciate culture and learning. 3. Osaka. Osaka, known for its friendly locals and vibrant food scene, is another excellent city for meeting singles. A. Dotonbori. Dotonbori is Osaka's entertainment district, famous for its neon lights and delicious street food. Bars and izakayas here are fantastic places to meet locals and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Try starting a conversation over takoyaki or okonomiyaki, Osaka's famous dishes. In Dotonbori, the energy is contagious. As you explore the bustling streets, you'll encounter locals and tourists alike, all eager to soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Sharing a meal at a street food stall can be the perfect opportunity to make new friends and enjoy the culinary delights of Osaka together. B. Amerikamura. Amerikamura, or American Village, is a trendy area popular with young people. Its eclectic mix of shops, cafes, and live music venues creates a perfect setting for meeting new friends. Amerikamura's youthful vibe is invigorating. Whether you're browsing through vintage shops or enjoying a live music performance, the laid-back and creative environment encourages casual interactions and spontaneous friendships. It's a hub for young, adventurous souls looking to connect and share experiences. 4. Tips for meeting singles in Japan. Now that you know the best places to meet singles in Japan, let's go over some essential tips to make your experience even better. A. Learn basic Japanese phrases. While many Japanese people speak some English, learning basic Japanese phrases can go a long way in making a good impression. Phrases like konnichiwa, hello, arigato, thank you, and hajimemashite, nice to meet you, can help break the ice. Taking the time to learn and use these phrases shows respect and interest in the local culture. It can also make interactions smoother and more enjoyable, as it demonstrates your willingness to engage with the language and customs of Japan. B. Respect cultural norms. Respecting cultural norms is crucial. For example, bowing is a common greeting, and it's important to be polite and considerate. Understanding and respecting these customs will help you build rapport with the locals. Being mindful of cultural differences and etiquette, such as removing your shoes before entering someone's home or speaking softly in public spaces, can greatly enhance your interactions. Showing respect for these traditions will be appreciated and can help you connect more deeply with the people you meet. C. Be genuine and polite. Japanese people appreciate sincerity and politeness. Be yourself and show genuine interest in getting to know them. Avoid being too forward, as it might come across as disrespectful. Approaching conversations with kindness and authenticity can create a positive impression. Listening attentively and asking thoughtful questions about their interests and experiences can help build a meaningful connection. D. Use social apps. In the digital age, using social apps like Tinder, Bumble, and Japanese-specific apps like Pairs can help you connect with singles in Japan. These apps provide a platform for initial introductions, making it easier to meet in person. Leveraging these apps can expand your social circle and provide opportunities to meet people you might not encounter otherwise. Just be sure to approach online interactions with the same respect and sincerity you would in person. 5. Events and activities. Attending local events and activities is another fantastic way to meet people. Let's explore a few popular options. A. Festivals. Japan is known for its vibrant festivals, or matsuri. These events are perfect for meeting locals and experiencing Japanese culture. Festivals like Gion Matsuri in Kyoto and Tenjin Matsuri in Osaka offer lively atmospheres where people are more open to socializing. At these festivals, you can participate in traditional dances, enjoy delicious street food, and witness stunning parades. Engaging in festival activities is a natural way to strike up conversations and build connections with locals. Festivals often create a sense of community and celebration, making it easier to approach others and share the joy of the event. Don't hesitate to join in the festivities and make new friends. B. Language exchange meetups. Language exchange meetups are also popular in Japan. These events provide a relaxed environment where you can practice Japanese and help others with their English. It's a great way to meet locals who are interested in cultural exchange. By participating in these meetups, you'll not only improve your language skills, but also gain insights into Japanese culture and make friends with similar interests. It's an excellent way to form meaningful connections while enhancing your language abilities. C. Hobby clubs. Joining a hobby club is another excellent way to meet people with similar interests. Whether it's a cooking class, hiking group, or art club, these activities provide a natural setting for building connections. Japan has a wide variety of hobby clubs that cater to different interests. From tea ceremony clubs to photography groups, there's something for everyone. Participating in these activities allows you to share your passions and meet individuals who appreciate the same hobbies. Hobby clubs often create a close-knit community where members support and encourage each other. This supportive environment can foster strong friendships and provide opportunities for deeper connections. Meeting singles in Japan can be a rewarding and enriching experience. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Tokyo, the historic temples of Kyoto, or the vibrant nightlife of Osaka, there are countless opportunities to connect with beautiful women and create lasting memories. Remember to be respectful, genuine, and open to new experiences. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and dating tips. Until next time, happy adventures in Japan!